Did you know that using idioms can literally change the entire meaning of what you're trying to say? Like, if I said, "It's raining cats and dogs," you might picture a pet store disaster. But in reality, it just means it's pouring rain. This little twist in language can spark your curiosity and take your English to the next level. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Ever feel like you want to sound more fluent and natural in your conversations? Well, mastering idioms is a fantastic way to do that. They're like secret codes that native speakers use all the time, and knowing them can really help you blend in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's get real for a moment. One of the biggest challenges for English learners is getting the hang of idioms. They can seem super confusing, right? You might hear someone say, "break a leg," and think, "Wait, what? Why would I do that?" It's not about actually breaking anything, it's a way to wish someone good luck. So, understanding the literal versus the figurative meaning can be tricky, and that's where many learners stumble. You want to use idioms correctly, but sometimes they just don't make sense. Plus, if you use them wrong, you might end up sounding totally off. So, let's break it down together. Exploration/development. Alright, let's explore some common idioms that you can start using today. First up, we have hit the nail on the head. This means to be exactly right about something. For example, if your friend figures out why a project failed, you could say, "You really hit the nail on the head." Next, let's talk about bite the bullet. This one means to face a difficult situation with courage. Picture this, you know you have to get a root canal. Instead of postponing, you decide to just bite the bullet and go. Super relatable, right? And how about let the cat out of the bag? This idiom means to accidentally reveal a secret. So if you spill the beans about a surprise party, oops, you let the cat out of the bag. These idioms are not just fun, they're super useful in everyday conversations. Climax/key moment. Now, here's a really interesting one that might surprise you. The ball is in your court. This idiom comes from tennis, where it means it's your turn to make a move. In conversation, it means it's your responsibility to make a decision. So, if someone says, "I've done everything I can, now the ball is in your court," they're saying it's your turn to act. It's a great way to express that someone needs to take charge. And isn't it cool to know where these phrases come from? They add a little history to our everyday chats. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, we've explored some fantastic idioms today, like hit the nail on the head, bite the bullet, and the ball is in your court. Remember, using idioms not only spices up your conversations but also helps you sound more like a native speaker. They're an essential part of achieving fluency in English. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your favorite idioms in the comments below, let's share some fun phrases. And if you're eager to learn more, don't forget to check out my next video on advanced English expressions. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep improving our English skills together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.